Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube playlist. So in order to create a YouTube playlist, it's actually quite easy, so let's just immediately get into the video. So in order to do this, first of all, head over to youtube.com and then go to the top right corner of your screen, and once you're at your profile picture, what you simply want to do is click on View Your Channel right here. Once you've done that, click on Manage Videos right here. And basically, once you're right here, what you can do is head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on Create. Once you've done that, click on New Playlist. And then right here, you will be able to create a new playlist. The first thing you need to do is add a title, a description, and you can basically choose if this playlist is public, private, or unlisted. I'm going to set mine to private, and then I'm going to click on Create like that. Once you've done that, you can head over into the playlist tab right here, and then you will right here find your playlist. Now what you need to do is add some videos to that playlist. To do this, head over to youtube.com, find any video you want to add to that playlist, and once you find a video you want to add, just go and click on that video, but not on the actual video, click on those three little dots right here. Once you've done that, click on Save to Playlist and then choose which playlist you want to choose. I'm going to choose Test, like that, and it will say Edit to Test. Once you've done that, you can head over to your playlist, give it a quick refresh, and you will notice that now one video is in your playlist. And that's basically all you need to do in order to create a playlist on YouTube. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.